Welcome back. Well, the Economic Offences Wing of the Mumbai Police has summoned the CEO and technical head of Book My Show over allegations of black market ticket sales for the upcoming Coldplay concert in Mumbai. Both officials failed to appear at the EOW office, leading to the issuance of a second summons. The Mumbai Police have now taken action following complaints that Book My Show illegally collaborated with black marketeer Viagogo, which operates on its own online ticketing platform. Now, allegations include the use of ticket bots to block genuine customers from purchasing tickets, while the same tickets appeared on Viagogo at significantly higher prices. Coldplay is scheduled to perform at the D.Y. Patil Sports Stadium on the 18th of January, the 19th, and the tickets for the concert were sold out within just minutes of going live on the ticket aggregator. The Book My Show platform has also issued a statement and clarified that the firm worked hard to ensure that every fan had a fair chance to secure tickets, capping it at 4 tickets per user across all shows, providing clear step-by-step booking guides and maintaining transparent communication. In its statement, Book My Show clarified that it became aware of the unauthorized platforms listing tickets for the Coldplay concert both before and after the official sale. The company emphasized that it has no association with any such unauthorized ticket selling or reselling platforms. After the complaint of the black marketing came to light, there has been no end to the politics over the incident as well. Remember, the Congress party criticized the corrupt system, attributing the blame for black marketing to the government failures. In response, the BJP has vowed to take stringent action against those involved in the scandal.
कोल्डप्ले शो के बारे में ब्लैक मार्केटिंग में उनकी टिकटें बिक रही हैं, इस प्रकार की शिकायत प्राप्त हुई। सरकार इसकी पूरी जांच करेगी। जांच करके ये ब्लैक मार्केटिंग में जो लोग हैं, यदि ऑर्गेनाइजर भी इसका हिस्सा है तो उनकी जगह जेल के सलाखों के पीछे है। महाराष्ट्र की भूमि पर हम किसी भी ब्लैक मार्केटिंग को हम बढ़ावा नहीं देंगे।
सवाल ब्लैक मार्केटिंग वहाँ का सवाल नहीं है। आज हिंदुस्तान में हर जगह हो रहा है। जहाँ जो बड़े शहर है, बॉम्बे है, वहाँ का स्वरूप दूसरा हो जाता है, सामने आ जाता है, दूसरी जगह नहीं आता। लेकिन ये सिस्टम में कहीं न कहीं सोच है, कहीं न कहीं सरकार की इच्छा शक्ति में कमी है, जिसके कारण इस तरह की परिस्थितियां पनप रही हैं और जिससे लोगों का आपस में कभी धर्म के नाम पर, कभी भाषा के नाम पर, कभी संप्रदाय के नाम पर वैचारिक भेद होता है और उसको राजनीतिक कलर दिया जाता है।
Well, the much-anticipated concert has left many fans disappointed as tickets quickly sold out despite an additional show being added to accommodate the overwhelming demand. Many eager fans were unable to secure tickets. Tickets have since appeared on resale platforms and social media, with resellers offering them at significantly inflated prices. Now, this has sparked frustration among fans as a substantial number of tickets appear to have been bought for resale rather than by genuine concert goers. Listen in to the frustration and anger of several Coldplay fans before we open up and also go across to our reporters for more details.
मेरे बेटे को अगर कोई भारी पैसे वाले लोग या उनको साथ बिठाते हैं, उनकी गाड़ी में बिठा लिया, तो उसने भी देखने का उसने मौका दिया है कि वो भी एक अच्छी गाड़ी को देखा है। तो मैं कहता हूं कि बच्चा है अभी, और अभी तो 18 साल का भी नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने तो कोई एस्कॉर्ट के लिए कहा, मेरे बच्चे की सिक्योरिटी के लिए पीछे चल रही थी मेरी गाड़ी, ना कि एस्कॉर्ट कर रही थी, लेकिन लोगों की।
All right, my sincere apologies. We'll get you those reactions. But this is the controversy that has broken out, after which Book My Show has also issued a statement where they've said that they tried to ensure that fans get a fair chance at getting the tickets. This comes after the summons had been issued to them. The Mumbai police summoned the CEO and the senior team member of the ticket booking platform Book My Show. This was in connection with the alleged black market sale of the tickets for the upcoming Coldplay concert in Mumbai. After which Book My Show issued a statement and clarified its position and also spoke about the action that was taken to ensure a fair ticketing process. I remember it was on the 22nd where the ticket sale for the anticipated concert saw a staggering 13 million fans logging into the ticket booking platform to try and get a ticket. My colleague Shrishti is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shrishti, for a long time now, this is all that fans have been talking about, but there's a bigger question of whether there is a black market sale that's taking place, after which Mumbai police has now stepped in. Take us through what's happening as far as the investigations are concerned.
Well, of course, as far the investigation is concerned, EOW has summoned earlier the CEO as well as the technical head of the Big Tree Entertainment, which is a parent company of Book My Show. They were supposed to be there at the EOW office in Mumbai yesterday. However, they have skipped the summon and they have not stated any kind of reason, is what we are coming to know. A fresh summon will be issued and then the investigation will be done ahead. But yes, of course, there are black marketing of the tickets which is going on. Several people are still reselling the tickets at higher prices, and earlier the statement which was given by Book My Show, they are saying that the reselling platforms like Viagogo as well as Gibbsburg, we are not authorized with it and we don't have any connection to them, and we have also filed a complaint regarding the same, and we are cooperating with the entire investigation which is going on. However, fans are very angry regarding the fact that they had to buy the tickets from such reselling platforms, and some are angry because of the long queues which were there and then the way site crashed. However, now the investigation will be done by the EOW department and they will be looking at the matter wherein if there are any lapses which has been done by the Book My Show side,